Mathematics time, boys and girls. So get out your practical mathematics primary school, practical mathematics for primary school infant 1. This is your mathematics textbook and workbook. So we are going to use this book for our lesson. But before we do, remember you did the symbol. We introduced you to the symbol for addition, the add symbol. Today we are going to look at the subtraction or takeaway symbol. And the takeaway symbol is easy to remember. It's like a dash. Do you see this here? This is a takeaway sign. And takeaway, we could also say subtract, minus, or take away, and it means the same thing. And we are not going to use the word anymore. We are going to use the symbol. You also learned of the equal sign. Two little lines like that called an equal sign. So we're not going to use the word equal. We are going to use the equal sign or the equal symbol. So look at it here in a problem. This is called a word problem. 5, and this means something. This symbol means to take away or to subtract or to minus. 5, we're going to say take away. 5 take away 1 equals. And this here is a worded problem. It's a number problem using the subtraction symbol. So in your books, I want you to turn to page 136. 136 is not at the beginning of the book, okay? 136 comes way to the end of the book. So you're going to look at the end of the book. Mommy will help you to find page 136. And we are going to use the takeaway symbol to solve these problems. These are all subtraction problems. At the top here, we have the instructions. And instructions, Miss told you, is important, or they are important because it tells you what to do. Use the objects below to help you solve each problem. Now, whenever you get a problem in mathematics, there are 3 steps you need to do. You need to read the problem, you need to understand the problem, and you're going to solve the problem. So those are the 3 steps in any problem in mathematics. Read, understand, solve. So we have here, let's look at the tippy top. This says 6 take away 2 equal. This here is a worded problem. It's telling me 6 take away 2 equal. But underneath, they have turned the words into the symbol. So this here is your takeaway symbol. So let's read it. This is called a number sentence. 6, and this says take away. So that's what we say, or 6 take away 2, and this is the equal sign. 6 take away 2 equals. We read the problem. Let's understand the problem. Now this here is a takeaway sign. To take away, we have to cross out, because that is what we've been doing with all the subtraction problems prior to this. So we have to understand this symbol means something. It means to take away. And when we take away, we cross out. This first number tells me how many there are in all. This number here tells me how many I need to cross out or to take away. So they have done the first one for us. They had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hearts. So that's 6. Take away 2, meaning I want to cross out 2. So they crossed out 1, 2. Equal, meaning what is left is my answer. So let's see. 6, and they crossed out 2, and they took away 2, and I am left with 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 take away 2 equals 4. How do we write a 4? 6 take away 2 equals, we start at the top, come down, across, and a leg to stand on. 6 take away 2 equals 4. This is we solved the problem there. We solved the problem by crossing out. Let's look at another one. Let's read first. 9 take away 2 equal. Let's read this number sentence. 9, and they put the symbol, take away 2 equal. What do we do? 9 tells me how many there are. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we are going to take away 2, so we are crossing out 2. What I'm left with, or what is not crossed out, is my answer. Let's see how many are not crossed out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's supposed to be, right. Okay, they made a mistake. It should have been 7. All right. So we have 9 take away 2 equal. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my answer is 7. Go across and down. 9 take away 2 equal 7. That's an error on the part of the printer of the book, okay? So we have to inform them of that error. Let's go again. 7 take away 4 equal. 7, let's read the problem. 7 take away 4 equal. Let's understand the problem. This is asking me to take away because this symbol says take away. What do we do when we take away? We cross out. But how do we know how many to cross out? The first number tells me how many pencils there are. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pencils. And this second number tells me how much to cross out. I am taking away 4. So what do? I cross out 4. I'm going to solve the problem by crossing out 4. So I'm going to cross out 1, 2, 3, 4. I have crossed out 4. I am left with 1, 2, 3. So 7 take away 4 equal. I will solve the problem. I solved it. I got 3. How do I write 3? My answer is 3 because I have not crossed out these 3. Around and around. That's a 3. This is not a 3, okay? That's a wrong side 3. So don't make that for me, all right? So 7 take away 4 equal 3. We have some smiley faces here. Let's read the word problem. 6 take away 3 equal. Read the sentence. 6 take away 3 equal. Understand it? This is telling me to take away. What do I do when I take away? I cross out. So I have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I am going to take away 3 or cross out 3. So I'm going to cross out 1, 2, 3. What I am left with is my answer. 6 take away 3 equals 1, 2, 3. And my answer is 3. Next one. 9 take away 4 equal. Word problem. 9, let's read it. 9 take away 4 equal. Let's understand it. This is a take away sign. It's asking me to take away. What do I do when I take away? I cross out. The first number tells me how many there are in all. The second number tells me how many I need to cross out. So I have 9. I'm going to take away 4, which means I am going to cross out 4. Let's go. I can cross out any 4. 1, 2, and this is how you do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've crossed out 4. Whatever is left is my answer, and that is I have solved the problem by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 not being crossed out. So my answer is 5. How do I write a 5? a little one in the air, a belly, and a hat. One belly hat. So 9 take away 4 equal 5. I have just solved the problem. So I want you to remember we looked at the symbol for subtraction, and we say subtraction means to take away, and this is the symbol, and we cross out to subtract. In your book, you will have to do page 37 and 38. When you're doing page 37, you're going to follow what we did here. Let me just do one for you. It says complete the activity. Let's read the number sentence. 8, what does the sign say? Take away 5 equal. 8 take away 5 equal. We read it. Let's understand it. The symbol says take away. What do we do when we take away? We cross out. So how many do we have in all? How many tigers do we have? We have 8 tigers. How many are we taking away? We are taking away 5. So what does that mean? We have to cross out 5. So let's cross out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I am left with is 1, 2, 3. My answer is 3. I have solved the problem. 8 take away 5 equal 3. And that is what you're going to do for the rest in page 37 and those in page 138. So I hope you remembered what are the key points in the lesson when you are subtracting. Know the symbol, know what it means, know how to solve it. All right, boys and girls, bye.